Hello student, today's lesson we are looking at area of a triangle. Last lesson we treated the area of rectangle, and we said this is the rectangle, and we said this is the length and this is the breadth, and we said the area of a rectangle equals length times breadth. That what we did in our previous lesson. We multiply the length and the breadth, and the same also for the area of a square, length times breadth. Now we're dealing with triangle. In triangle, once you divide your rectangle into two equal parts, here it becomes a triangle, the other side becomes a triangle also, but you are divided it into two equal parts. So you're going to have something like this, a triangle. So this is half of your length times breadth. So the area of this is half of your length times breadth. So therefore, the area of a triangle equals, this is your height, your breadth becomes your height, the height of a triangle, your length becomes the base of your triangle. So therefore, you see the area of a triangle is half times base times height. So the base is one standing for your length before, the height is one standing for your breadth before. So your area of a triangle is half base times height. So let's treat these two examples. Our goal was to treat 3 examples, but because of time, we have 5 minutes to explain our lessons. We try not to exceed 5 minutes. So we have find the area of this triangle. This is the height and this is the base. We see the area of a triangle is half times base times your height. Half times your base is 5 centimeter times your height. Your height is 8 centimeter. So your 2 we cancel out itself. 2 cancel out 8, 4. So we have 1 times 5 times 4. That's 20. Then we have centimeter times centimeter. That will give us centimeter square. So number 1 is 20 centimeter square. Number 2, the area of a triangle is 70 centimeter square, and its height is this. So we are looking for its base. The third example, we are to find the height while we are given the base and area, but there's no time for that. So let's begin this. Area equals half times base times height. So we say find its base. So our attention is on the base. So we want the base to stay alone. Firstly, let's cross multiply so that these 2 will go off. This is over 1 and all this one is over 1. So let's cross multiply. A with times 2 and 1 with times the other side. So we have 2 times A will give us 2A equals 1 times this will give us base times height. We're interested in the base, not the height. So for us to get the base, we have to divide both sides by the height. Okay, so base will stay. So we have 2A divided by your height equals base times height divided by your height. So your height will cancel out height. So you're left with your base. So your base now equals 2A divided by your height. So we can now input the figures. Your base equals 2A is A is 70. That's 2 times 70 divided by your height. Your height is 28 divided by 28. So your base equals, so we can reduce to the lowest term. 7 here will give us 10. 7 here will give us 4. 2 here will give us 1. 2 here will give us 2. 2 into 1. 2 and 5. Then 5. So you're left with the 5 centimeter. So we've come to the end, so it's 5 centimeter. So I'll put up the assignment for you to do. Ensure you do it. Submit your assignments to your school or to someone elderly at home. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button on our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.